Hi friends, this is Miss Howard and I am back to do some more fact fluency with you. So let's take a look at this first Solve Me mobile. Let's review what we're trying to do. So on the mobile, it's kind of like a balance. So we want the numbers on both sides of the balance to be the same. We want them to be equal so that our balance that mobile is straight and flat. Because if one side is more than the other, it's going to tilt, right? So we want to make it equal on both sides. So let's look at our first numbers here. So we know that the heart is worth 4. Do we know what this green rhombus is worth? Nope, not yet. What about that circle? How much is that blue circle? So it's worth 9. So let's write that 9 up there. Oh, that is not a nice 9. Redo that. So that we know that this is worth 9. Okay, so let's think about this. What do we know about 4 and 9? Is there a fact that we can use with our 4 to help us get to 9? Do you know a double that can help us? Okay, we can use the double fact 4 plus 4, which makes what? Show me on your fingers. 8, right? 4 and 4 is 8. So if we know that 4 and 4 makes 8, how many more do we have to add to get to 9? We only have to add one more. So let's write what that would look like. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 would make 9. What do you see right here in these parentheses? What is 4 plus 1? Did you say 5? That's right. So really, we're thinking of this as what? 4 plus 5 is the same as 9. So this number should be a 5, right? Let's see. And then I'm going to write 5 here. So when we think about this, we are thinking about a double fact plus what? 1. That's right. So this strategy is going to be doubles plus 1. Great job. Let's submit our answer and see what happens. Good job. Okay, let's go on to the next one. All right, so we know, what do we know? We know that the orange triangle is worth 13 and that the green moon, I'm going to change that pin, is worth 6. But we don't know, this is what we're trying to solve for, right? We don't know what that purple trapezoid is worth. So let's think about what we know. We know we have a 6 and we know we have 13. Is there a fact that you know that can help us solve this to at least get us close to that 13? Did you say that 6, oops, I wrote that wrong. Let me reset real quick. Did you say that you know 6 plus 6 equals 12? Great job. So then if we have 12, how many more do we need to get to 13? Because we know this can't be 6 because that would not be enough. We'd have to have how many more? We'd have to have one more, right? So we'd have to have 6 plus 6 plus one more to make what? To make 13. What do you notice about this right here? Do you see something? Do you see this? What is 6 plus 1? Show me on your fingers. 7, right? So I can say that this is the same thing as 6 plus 7, which would give me what? It would give me 13. So we know that this trapezoid here is worth how much? I almost wrote the wrong number. 7. So let's put that in here. So we used our doubles fact of 6 plus 6 to get us close to that 13. Then we had to add one more. What's that strategy again? Doubles plus 1. Great job. Let's see. Great job. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, look at what you know. We know that this one is gonna equal 11. We know that this one is 5. And we don't know this one. So, what are you gonna use to help you figure this out? What do you know? Do you know a doubles fact that can get us close to 11? We know 5 plus 5, right? And what is 5 plus 5? Oops. 10. Good job. Okay, we're at 5 plus 5. How many more do we need to get to 11? We would need one more, right? So we know that 5 plus 5 is 10. But if we add one more, that would get us to 11. So what's another way we could think of 5 plus 5 plus 1? Because we only need one number, because we have a 5, and then we need one more number. Do you see another number in here that we could add? 5 and 1. What is that? What would that change this equation to? 5 plus what? 6. Use the same as 11. So if we put a 6 here, does that even it out? Let's check. Awesome. All right, let's submit our answer. Great job, friends. All right, I think we have one more today. Whew, this one's a little bigger. Don't let it scare you, because we know some facts that can help us. So let's take a look. What do we know? We know that this purple trapezoid is worth 17. And we know that this orange heart is worth 8. And we're trying to figure out what this green triangle is worth. So let's think about this. Is there a fact that you know that can help you solve this? That can get you close to that 17? What do we know about 8? Do we know that 8 plus 8 is what? It's 16, right? Does that get us pretty close to 17? How many more do we need to get to 17? We need one more. So if I were to write this like 8 plus 8 plus 1, that would get us to what? 17. Because we would have 8 plus 8, which is 16, plus one more, which would get us to 17. But that's 3 numbers. And we only need how many? We only need 2. Do you see another number that we could use in there? What could we put together? Did you just say we could put together the 8 and the 1? And what does that make? That makes 9, right? And 8 plus 9 is what? 17? Let's see. Let's see if that balances it out. Are you ready? Oh, it didn't change. It stayed the same. Good job. Yay. Awesome job today. I can't wait to come back and do some more fact fluency with you. Have a great day.